Hi guys, welcome to the channel Wagwan Tours. We're in Antalya. Let's have a little look around. Alright, so we've got some copyright music here, which is lovely. Do love a bit of copyright music, which means I need to speak up a little bit, talk you through it. So you've got a statue here. See. Alright, let's have a little walk around. Should have probably went inside there. Let's go inside there. Hamburger 320. That's just under £6 for a hamburger. Not cheap at the moment. I'm not finding things cheap around here. I do need to stop for a beer soon. So we've got to go and find Sabrina now. Go meet up with her. Got your Turkish tea drinks, glasses, if I can even speak. Your silver. So got them. Let me know if you've ever brought anything like that here, or anywhere in Turkey. Let me know. Something about getting a ring at some point. I don't like buying jewellery when I'm away. Hello. So your towels up there, your football teams. Kids' clothes. More bags. All the football tops as well at the top here. And same in here as well. Never got a Southampton top though. Never, never, never. So it wasn't in the Premiership. Lovely lanterns. All your bags around here. So let me know where you come shopping when you come to Antalya. What's your favourite shop? Because again, it's just every shop is the same shop over and over and over and over. Obviously everyone has their favourites. So where do you like to go? Shops do you like to shop in? I got some sunglasses, he told me they were £10. He charged me 490 lira, which came to about £8. £8 that was. So make sure when they say, make sure you bring, well, change your lira when you get here. And you pay in lira. Because like I said, it was a lot cheaper when I paid in lira. He told me £10. Came out to be £8 in the end. So you got a Ronaldo top there, which is quite cool. These suits. A bit more smarter. Look at these little cats. A bit more fancier here. So guys, yeah, make sure you subscribe, like and share the video, ring the notification bell if you want to stay up to date with what we're doing, when we're doing it. Yeah, there are stray dogs everywhere. Everywhere. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Go back down to the main square. I need to charge up everything in a minute, so I think we're going to stop. Going to have a nice beer somewhere. Charge up everything. Just going to show you some views quickly. Everyone chilling in the shade. It's a bit hot at the moment. Even though there's no sun, there's plenty of cloud. It is hot. So we're going to meet Sabrina in here, in this big area. If she remembers what time we said. Then we're going to go find ourselves a nice cold beer. Yeah, let's have a look at this statue. Show you the views. Let's go and see who this geezer is. Very cool statue. They really like their statues out there. Monument of the National Rise,
Вот отсюда надо фотить, вот название.
Rise against what? Oppression? Dictatorship? What were they rising up to? Write it down in the comments so I can understand the statue a bit more. Well, I'll go back and read it in a minute, I guess. Let's have a little look over this little viewpoint here to the left. So you've got the mosque in the background. If you've been watching the series, we started off over there in the first video around here. But yeah, let's go and have a look at this viewpoint. So we're all the way around there, Bildibby around the corner there, Camille. So we was last night, we went out around Camille. Went to a nice Irish bar. 120 lira for a beer. I think you're going to find that round here.
Все красиво?
So yeah, let's take you down there. Hopefully the battery's lasting. Let's have a little look, see what number we got. Oh, we're actually doing quite well actually. So yeah, where do you go shopping when you come here? Is Antalya your favourite place to come shopping? Can you get deals? Have you had a bad experience here? I haven't had a bad experience so far. I just find when you're in the cities, everyone's a little bit more ruder. So, you know, experience a bit more ruder people in Antalya so far. But like I said, that's a city thing. And when I'm in Marmaris or when I was just in Bildibby, a lot more calmer, but a lot more time they got for people. If you don't want nothing from them, then you can at least smile. But sometimes you just get the old rude stare because you don't want nothing from them. I mean, are you meant to always want something from somebody just because you're a tourist? So you've got the market, well it says market, but I guess it's a shop market. Oh, well, could be going down there for a beer. Because got the lovely tunes on. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching once again. Shall I take you down there to that little viewpoint and have a little view of the cough? Let's go round, come on. So I'm meant to be meeting Sabrina here, but I can't see her just yet. And it says I've got 20% battery left on my camera, so more than enough battery. 20%, I could probably even record a whole nother video. Let's take you down there quickly. Okay, so just toilets in the motor market there. Hello. Don't know if there is a little bit I can squeeze in and show you the view. Everyone's all sitting down there. I can squeeze in there, show you that. The lady just ran into that little seat there where I was just looking at. But yeah, there you go, you can see the view from there. Looks very nice. Sit there, have your coffee, have your tea. What more can you ask for, eh? Beautiful views. I think that viewpoint I was at just a minute ago didn't make the place look very good, but here looks a bit more stunning, doesn't it? Check that out. So if you watch some of the videos, we've already walked all the way down there, been up there, walked all the way over to there, and we went up them stairs around, done a massive circle. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.